Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to group objects in Google Slides. Whether you're aligning elements, managing complex layouts, or creating consistent design elements, grouping is a powerful feature. Let's dive in. 1. Selecting objects to group. Click on the first object you want to group, hold down the Shift key and click Additional Objects to multi-select. Alternatively, click and drag a selection box around objects to select them. 2. Grouping objects in Google Slides. Once you've selected the objects, right-click on any of the selected objects, choose Group from the context menu. Alternatively, go to the Arrange menu and select Group. 3. Modifying and editing grouped objects. Grouped objects can be moved, resized, or formatted together. To ungroup, right-click and choose Ungroup or use the Arrange menu. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.